Ebusuafo me buefu rough. Na I say make them buefu a oye onam them video yo on social media. If feel be watching by na wa stripping you're naked. Na oritwa sebe na tabadom ban. Oye Mario humpo keke. But anyway, you see, the membenyinfo kotobonku de no. Wontum wonye wanyankofo mbenyinfo mpo njina ntoto. But asama before amanka sema yam submission, 1 month to papa ne ye na day. Obai na wobron 1 month to ne day. Asaman we bodu headquarters. Ya jejinim. Inti yampedo ochine bi yabati do. Mamu kuna wonya asam ne mrefi. Na menyana womba ina onyama doya medo. You see a lot of women so what your problem because this is not the first time worrying according to all your tenants no video in fa ofi from rebani day or ya za pepe fury or ye into on the tenants in portray the video. Can you imagine their papa nunya no mamba they've attacked them pounds on this lady for filming this evil act?
If it's set up
Enti Mr. Wana Ghana police why as I said why you watch papa no watch in your no na account. Them kofi there was one who go jail straight. And you want to one assignment charge because this man on journey dey nyimpa.
if it's set up
Sebi besiane ba bonana why you bonimpo ekesi danimpo a sebi inyi besiane hade just sebi besia sebeda no donye ne dama hu sa no hu ba a stripping naked na egwan in public. Yay, John or that lamte. A come was to John for your Johnny.
All be lie.
Or that no. It's the Egumben for your master, the brotherhood. You're not proud of them bullshit. Hey. They're bringing pada punching. Man, make rough.
If it's set up.
Ewa, Mbayinu Fukotobonku deo. Hey, now so I bring you know. Because if this man grew up not singing this and kadam kwasi during you because nunya no mbesi afumpo wofo dam kwasi semido
if it's set up
nchaba ejimefo no wofo dam bullshit. You understand? So me averse but as some am mpeda saying that papa ni yiri onye na ebusuafo bekedo wonya asem ne mbre fie na yobo ebusuasam papa no ye criminal or ye murderer. Yes, obi otumi yenyim padam ebe inti oh irad makara na yo gina menche anka medem banko pai na soom benyi no kotobonku
all be lie
kotobonku abobro ba ya chide yi ne taba to dance na abro aba bullshit aba fucking things.
If it's set up
Hey, police for the wole no to circle no bia lu kwadwuma na pa na we twa no tumbai one stripping in naked. Hey, you kwasha so ayo anyway I say me buefu nti one from ebufu no hye wan kwana bet besian hwe na nkekere maamu kuna onyam da mamu hu sam nti wonya asam ne mbrefie nka bet wona
if it's set up.
Big question, quick action.
All be lie